Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert USDT to Euro in Binance. Make sure that you're logged in your Binance. Then at the bottom, click on Trades. At the top left corner, you will see Convert Spot Margin, but click on Convert. Then from AGLD, change in USDT. Now, in BTC, change in Euro. In USDT, type amount you want. After that, click on Preview Conversion at the bottom. In this page, from 50 USDT, you will receive 45 point something in Euro. And there is no fees. After all, click on Deposit. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!